In this video, I'm going to show you why you should put Kool Aid in your toilet. There are two reasons why you would want to do this. I'll explain the second reason at the end of the video, so be sure to watch to the end. Hard water stains in your toilet bowl are a common occurrence, especially amongst people who live on well water. They are unsightly, and they make using that particular throne disenchanting and unattractive. Oftentimes, no matter how hard you scrub, you can't remove them. Well, Kool Aid can solve this problem for less than $1. This little pack cost me 31 cents actually. Simply sprinkle the Kool Aid powder into the toilet. You only need one pack, so there's no need to buy the entire box. Use a toilet brush to spread the mixture in the entire bowl, hitting every surface. Do this at nighttime before bed so you can allow the Kool Aid to dwell all night long to do its magic. What makes Kool Aid an effective cleaner is because it contains large amounts of citric acid, which works great at removing and breaking down those mineral-laced hard water stains. For best results, be sure to use lemon or orange flavors. In the morning when you wake up from your sleep, give the toilet bowl one final scrub with your brush, flush it, and you will notice the stains will be greatly faded or vanished completely. The second reason for putting Kool Aid in your toilet is to check for leaks in the tank. If your toilet tank is leaking water, you can diagnose the issue easily by dumping a pack into the tank. Again, allow it to sit overnight. When you wake up in the morning, if the water has changed color inside the bowl, then you will know conclusively that your toilet tank is leaking water, which is costing you extra money every month. From that point, you can proceed to get it fixed. If you want to know a life-changing shoe hack, click the video on the screen now, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.